What's going on, everybody? This Cortez with Pilgrims in the Earth. Thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, thank you. Subscribers almost at 1,700. We trying to keep going up. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Please share to get the channel noticed. We're going to be hitting you with more exclusive content. If you want to hear something that I haven't done yet, I have no problem with taking constructive criticism or any new ideas. Please let me know. But anyway, man, I got a new apartment that I'm showing right now. It's a smaller place because we are transitioning into a new lifestyle. A lot of the other places were a little bit more lavish and, more foreign. When I say foreign, more foreign, well, people that's traveling, more tourist friendly, basically. But this place is kind of more budget friendly because as we going into New Year's, you see things are getting more expensive. Inflation is kicking in. I'm more so showing people that it's more beneficial to live in Africa, specifically here in Tanzania, but Africa as a whole, because it is more cheaper than America. America is falling as we know it, especially inflation and the economy getting more expensive, food, especially rent. But let me read this real quick, man. This is something that I looked up that was very interesting. It said rent increased by 30% or more this year in some cities. U.S., by the way, 2023 study. On average, rents increased 5.45% over the last year, exceeding the inflation rate during the same time. But some areas saw much steeper increases than others, up to a 63% hike. That's very interesting. I went back to America and we were staying in a very low impoverished area. And for a 2-bedroom, we were paying over $1,000 a month. So I just want to show people this video. This place isn't that big, but I mean, it's $140 a month. I mean, that's about what, 350,000 T shillings, which is Tanzania's currency, but that's equivalent to $140 a month. Can you beat that? I mean, for half of the year I paid 6 months. That's half of a year. I spent less than $1,000 for once a month that I spent in America. So yeah, man, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm not really looking for no money. I can connect people to dollies, and the money would be good, but hit me up, man, if you need any help. But please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Huh? Be careful. Slow down. Beach. Dang, bro, I step on my shoes. Watch out. Look at the same thing.